G'day guys, Joe from TOPEX here, and today I'm here to show you 3 essential tools to help you upgrade your home this winter. The TOPEX Spot Cleaner combines powerful suction, cleaning solutions, and versatile tools to permanently remove stains and messes. This versatile cleaning device is designed to quickly and effectively remove spots and stains from various surfaces, including carpets, rugs, upholstery, and even car interiors. Its portable design and long cord helps you move easily between different areas, making stain and spill removing much easier. The TOPEX 20-volt cordless detail sander is ideal for quick and easy sanding on any rough surface. The firm molded handle fits perfectly in your palm, giving you comfort and control while you work. Changing between sandpapers is quick and easy with the convenient hook and loop paper attachment. Plus, the included dust bag can be installed to minimize dust and maintain a cleaner environment. TOPEX's 20-volt cordless power scrubber is a multifunctional scrubber equipped with 4 widely used washing heads. It can adjust to 2 different cleaning speeds to meet your cleaning needs. With such a practical cleaning assistant, you will save more time and energy when you're cleaning, leaving anything you use this tool on spotless. And those are just some of our tools to help you upgrade your home this winter. Head over to our TOPEX website to pick yours up today.